Okay, you should have your template ready, either your small one or your medium size. I did the medium size, so this is the one that I will be using. Now I'm going to transfer my design to this template. And I can transfer it in two different ways. I can either use a piece of typing paper and put over the design that I want to transfer. And I'm going to draw my corners like this. And I'm going to draw nice and dark. I can use my ebony pencil that's in my material pack if I'd like. Or the pencil that I have is a nice HB pencil. So I am tracing my design right onto my tracing paper. My typing paper. In your material pack, if you got a material pack that I remembered to put in tracing paper, you can trace this design right onto your tracing paper. And that will be a lot, not a lot easier, but it will be easier. So there's my design. Again, if you have tracing paper, just put that on top of your design and trace it. Both ways will work. I'm going to show you both ways just so that you know how to do it, because we don't always have tracing paper available. I'm going to put my corners in so I know where to line it up. If I'm going to use this, I'm going to turn it over with the side of my pencil and it's easy to see my drawing, correct? Do that all over your lines. Line it up on your board and begin. Now the back side is where I put the graphite. Turn it face down. Line it up really carefully. Hold it still and trace over your lines, and it will transfer your design to your board. If you did your drawing on paper, you're going to do the very same thing. I'm going to turn it over, and on the back side I'm going to put down my graphite. Be sure you get graphite nice and dark, otherwise it won't transfer when you go to trace it over. I'm doing this on the back side of my drawing, not on the front side, on the back side of my drawing. Now I can flip it over. This time I'll have to be a little bit more careful in lining it up, but I think that's lined up. Now I go right over it. And what's happening? Your graphite is transferring to your whiteboard. Now if you didn't put down enough graphite, or if you tried to shortcut and just trace your drawing, it won't, you may miss some stuff. There you go, you can see the drawing. If you'd like to, you can go over it so that you can see it nicely. I'm going to let everybody get caught up, and I will show you your next step in just a little bit. Good luck.